The Gotrax GX3. This is way too much scooter.
Hi, and welcome to Yeti at Large. This is a channel focused on making the most out of what you have, no matter where you're at. Thanks for tuning in and helping out.
I've waited my whole life to have a commute from work like this. I have my earbuds in, playing 80s rock and roll, and we're going to ride on our GX3 from Gotrax. The best part of my commute is this is all the pavement I have to take. And in a flash, not only are we on the trail, but we're on single track. This is about a 312-foot hill that lasts about a third of a mile, and the scooter's able to navigate down it and up it. Dual swing arm, dual coil-over adjustable shocks for compression and rebound, dual disc brakes, 11.5-inch pneumatic knobby tires that I have set to 50 psi. One of my favorite features about this scooter is the high ground clearance combined with the dual 1000 watt motors. That gives you front wheel and rear wheel drive. You can see I'm taking my time and threading the trail, but I'm able to navigate the loose gravel, the sand, the rock, and the bumps. An off-road scooter is quite a treat, but let's not ask too much of it, and let's take our time working our way down this hill. Before we know it though, we're crossing under one of the main roads, and we're on a 3.4 mile trail that loops around a lake and takes us straight home. You'll see there's a lot of people out hiking, jogging, and walking dogs. I always ask permission to pass people. I always slow way down, and I always give a greeting and well-wishing. Folks are genuinely really great, and everyone's happy to be out here. Now, the total elapsed time of my commute was 16 minutes and 12 seconds, and that's pretty average. I never exceed 25 miles an hour, but the average speed is closer to 15 to 17. There's a couple of bridges, a couple of blind corners, plenty of loose gravel, but a lot of beautiful scenery with the lake off to the left there. This is a perfect late winter day. The ground is firm and dry, the air is crisp, and the scooter has the battery power and the torque to handle this sub 4 mile commute with no problem. Now I've invested about $1,999. Oh, salute this fine fella. He's got an airborne pin on his chest in a Vietnam service campaign. For $2,000, I have a scooter that advertises 60-mile range, but I think with my 250-pound 6'6" frame, I think 30 would be more realistic. I can't tell you what a treat it is, though, to unwind from work, going for a little shred around a beautiful lake and coming all the way home. You'll see here in a minute, instead of climbing the rocks, I can sneak the back way into the RV resort. What a treat. It's hard to remember how the day at work went when you get to unwind with your knees in the breeze. No stop signs, no speed limits, no traffic. Just cool runnings. We're going to do a full review of this scooter, unboxing and other features soon. But I figured we started out with a ride.
Can your commute do that